Oh shit! Yo, he's coming fast! I bought a pit bike. Every summer for the last 4 or 5 years, I've been telling myself I'm gonna get a real bike, like a, I don't know, Kawasaki 600 or something. And every summer, some dumb shit happens, and I end up not being able to buy my bike. Past couple years, it's mostly been stuff with the base model, you know, blowing an engine, needing a transmission, a clutch, blah blah blah. Well, this year I went extra dumb and just bought a new car. So in order to quell my desires, I ended up buying this bad boy. So right now it actually is not running. I took the clutch off. Clutch was engaging on its own. I think we might have toasted it, but the frame is kind of clapped. It's a brand new motor though. It's a Predator. 212cc, 6.5 horsepower. So it's pretty gnarly. It does wheelies. It's pretty fun. I almost killed myself. I ate shit really bad, and this is the result. It hurts to walk a lot. So anyways, this pit bike, it's kind of janky. Like I said, I already kind of broke it. Dropped it once or twice. My brother dropped it once or twice. So throttle cable is messed up. So I actually have a throttle cable coming in the mail today. I'm going to be replacing the throttle cable. Going to be replacing the clutch. Probably going to put a wheelie bar on there. Put a nice basket in the back. Maybe put some kind of radio or something. Just got a few modifications I got to do to it. My GoPro died while I was filming some of the other stuff, and I didn't feel like waiting for it to charge, and none of my spare batteries were charged either. So I'll just kind of go over what I did. It needed a new throttle cable, so luckily the new cable, well, I bought a new handlebar, comes with a cable, and it also came with an on-off switch that I could relocate, as opposed to it being right there. And all of that was only 15 bucks. So I went ahead and just installed the new throttle cable. I then went and relocated my on-off switch. That was pretty simple in its stock form. This wire over here, let's see. This wire over here goes in here. I'll show you how it is stock. Yeah, so stock, this is how the wiring looks on a Predator. And all I had to do was, the switch comes with 2 wires. I just had to add my own ring terminal, ground it somewhere on the engine, boom, easy. This other wire here, I just had to take this out, and it already comes with a male terminal. Just kind of put it in there, and then you have to keep, this switch still works, you just have to leave it in on. But then you can just turn the bike on and off with these buttons, which if something happens, you need to stop, you need to turn the bike off. It makes it super convenient. Instead of awkwardly bending over and hitting the on-off button, it's right there. So right now what I'm gonna do is, I have this chain tensioner and I'm gonna try and install it. This is what I'm thinking of so far, but even when this is closed, there's a little gap. So I got some metal here, and I'm just gonna cut this little smidge off and kind of shove it in there as a shim and see if that works for me. So let's give it a shot, I guess. Always remember, safety first. Ow! That fucking hurts, holy shit. So we now have our shim. Gonna go see if that works. I have to grab it with a pair of pliers here because it's really fucking hot.
No, seriously, like, if you
I know.
you have to shut it off, and like by doing that, like you risk like falling. These brakes do not work. Like
they kind of work.
And you can
kind of
feel
work.
it. It like starts jerking you, and the throttle just goes by itself. But these brakes,
You have to
like,
push the throttle back.
I know, I do.
Yeah.
Like back, like that way.
Yeah.
No,
Forward.
back, forward, like forward.
Undo it.
Like undo it.
Yeah, I know.
All right, just.
No, but like the brakes.
No, let's side out.
Turn it off. Oh, go, man.
Can I ride it?
I guess.
So it's like if those brakes were better.
Wait, did you give it gas and feel it pick up?
Dude, I gave
It wants
gas
to pick
down
up the
there.
front
I gave the gas down there. I put my things on and I put it. I was like, popping wheelies.
Oh yeah, dude.
You literally had like it kind of sucks turning it off to like be able to stop, you know? And it's like when you're going that fast.
Have you tried not being a bitch?
With the way the changes are now, once you turn it off, it's like
Put your feet up! Put your feet up so you're more balanced! He's so scared. Shut it off! I never gave up. Someone's gonna call the cops. About 5 minutes. Yo, he was flying.